The new Arbortech Mini Carver has new features such as vibration reduction. New and improved 710 watts motor along with a vibration reducing handle further increases the user comfort and ergonomics. Variable speed settings offers 6 variable speed settings ranging from 6,000 to 18,000 RPM to suit your various wood carving, sculpting, and sanding needs. Enhanced sanding function comes with a flexible rubber backing pad that adds robustness, durability, and flexibility during sanding. Dust extraction attachment includes a dust extraction attachment accessory that helps keep your workspaces free from wood dust. This is one of the best wood shapers on the market today, and the control it gives you is outstanding. This is a favorite tool of many carvers, and once you have it you will wonder how you ever did without it. Great for plunge cutting, relief carving, shaping and sanding those hard to get places. This tool will cut your carving time in half and improve the quality of your work. You can pick one up by clicking the link below, and as always, thank you for watching this video.